we're going to make a chocolate cream pie that is no bake. And it's really like, for all the chocolate that's in it, it's still like a really light cake. First thing we're going to do is you want to get 25 Oreo cookies and grind them up.
Yum.
And a lot of times when you're making like a cookie, what do you call it? What is it? When you make it like a cookie crust, you don't like grind them super, super fine. But because this one's no bake, I like to really grind these cookies until it gets really
look
fine.
Look at that. It's like dark chocolate dust.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add, this is 6 tablespoons of butter, right? So I dump the butter in there, and then always, always, always a little pinch of salt.
Yes.
Right? Always a little pinch of salt. And then you mix this up, and what's going to happen is all the cookies are going to start absorbing all the moisture that's in the butter and all the fat too. So then everything gets in here, and you see it really pretty quickly turns into like almost like a clay. So then what you want to do is dump it into a pie plate, just like that. And then this is a fun. I like this part. I don't know why, but I always like this part.
Yeah, it is, because it's fun to play with your food.
It's like playing in the sandbox.
It is. It's very viscerally satisfying, right? So you get it in here, and then you're going to put this in the fridge for 30 minutes, and you got to let it set up, right? So that, like, you know, when butter's in the fridge, it's like hard, right? It's hard and cold. Yeah. So this thing gets hard and cold. Same thing. You don't have to bake it.
Right.
All right. Now you're going to make a 1-to-1 ganache. 1-to-1 ganache is like 1 part dark chocolate, 1 part heavy cream. A 1-to-1 ganache allows you to do this, where the ganache is really thick, right? And you can pipe it.
Nice.
You can, and then we're just going to spread it around. It's so delicious. It's so beautiful, but it's also functional. What it's doing here is you're creating this layer of ganache that's going to keep your cookie crust from drinking up all the moisture that's going to be in the filling. Yeah, and it'll stay crispy. Okay, so now we have a pie crust filled with ganache. Now, in here, what I've done is I beat together cream cheese, powdered sugar, and cocoa powder.
Nice.
Until it got like nice and light and fluffy. Right?
Beautiful.
You can see that, right? Really nice. And then I'm going to add some heavy cream to it. And we're going to make a chocolate whipped cream. I like to add cream cheese to all of my whipped creams, even if it's just a little bit, because it helps stabilize it. You know, a lot of times you'll make whipped cream and it just starts falling apart in like 20 minutes. Yeah, and so if you add a little bit of cream cheese to it, it'll last like all night long. And now we have a beautiful chocolate whipped cream.
Oh, wow.
Like that. Okay.
Shut up.
Now, I got some pudding mix, chocolate pudding mix, and some milk, cold milk. And you pour the milk into the pudding mix and just stir it around, This stuff is amazing to me.
Just
it's like when you
pudding,
make
right?
it.
Yeah.
And there it is. Look at that pudding. It's like
it's crazy.
It's like becomes super. It's crazy. It's crazy. It is a brave new world that we're living in, isn't it? All right. So now I'm going to take this pudding and pour it in here. Smooth it around the bottom. That's the chocolate whipped cream. So I'm just going to kind of spread this around, and then we're going to put some whipped cream on it.
Nice. Oh my God, it's amazing.
Yeah. Wow.
Hold on, we ain't done. Now, I got a piece of chocolate, and I got a microplane.
Yes, I love the microplane chocolate. Yes.
It's like when you make pasta.
Just, you know, it's just a tiny,
baby.
tiny bit.
Little bit.
And somebody's been snacking on my cookies.
Oh my gosh.
There we go.
Woo!
And a
Nicely done.
chocolate cream pie.
Bravo.
Boom.